Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all the viewers. And this festive season we'll be making origami paper Ganesha model. Let me show it to you how it looks. So these are the origami paper Ganesha models. As you can see, this is very easy to make. It's very small model and it looks really beautiful. So go ahead, grab a paper and make one. Decorate your Ganesh Utsav with these small paper Ganesha models. So without further delay, let's begin. For this paper Ganesha model, we'll need a small square piece of paper. The size of this paper is 8 centimeters cross 8 centimeters, and let's begin. So first we'll fold it along the horizontal axis from edge to edge. Then we'll fold it along the vertical axis. This is very easy model. Will be done real quick. Now you'll have two flaps, basically this opening. So you need to fold this triangular section on one side, and this side you need to fold the triangular section on this side. So basically this is how it looks. Now you have this opening, you keep it downwards and then slowly make a fold like this. Press it and slowly make a fold. Try to make sure that this is at the half, the crease is at the half, so that it looks symmetric. Press it properly like this. Now turn it and you have this flap over here. This flap, slightly you fold it till the center. I hope it's visible. Like this, and similarly we do it on this side. Let me just focus it. Yeah. Try to make sure that these two align like this and press it tightly. This is the top portion, as you can see, this portion. Like this. Now this flap and this flap, basically you need to fold this flap like this. Don't fold it fully, just make a crease, slight crease, and then also from this side you need to make a slight crease, and then like this you need to form a shape, basically like this. A fold from this side and a fold from this side meeting at the center, somewhere at this point, not at this exact point but somewhere here. So like this. Similarly do it on this side, fold it like this. Also we fold it like this, and then somewhere till here like this. Alright, now we'll make the eyes and the tilak portion over here. As you can see, like this, we'll make it, and I'll be back. Let me make this and show it to you. Alright, so I have made this in this manner. Now we need to cut this portion, so let me get a scissor. To cut this portion till a point, say this section, and also on this side. This is for the teeth basically. So you fold this portion inwards like this, and then let me show it to you here. Just fold this section like this and then fold it back. So this fold actually looks, you can align it from this angle like this and press it tightly. Similarly, we do it on this side. Just fold it and then align it accordingly. You can adjust the angle as per your wish, like this, and yeah, this is how it looks. And the final touch, we just need to fold this. Just need to fold this and then slightly fold this. Give it a twist like this. And this is the final paper Ganesha model. As you can see, this is very easy and looks really beautiful. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Once again, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all the viewers. Enjoy the festival. Take care, guys.